Good morning, dear viewer. Let's have a look at the markets. Short look at the markets. Let's start with the DXY. No change at the moment, although there is a little bit of hope for DXYs that it goes to the upside. So let's see. Starting from maybe from daily. We did break this low, so the minimum requirement for a 5-wave move down was completed. But I'm still hoping and thinking that it could still be, hoping maybe not, but still thinking that it could go to these levels. If it doesn't, for me to think that it has broken the downtrend, this downtrend from here, so we have still a series of lower highs. Yeah. So first condition would be at least break this high. Second condition would be, I have to grab it. Oh, sorry, not the wrong tool. So I take the FIB extension tool and I grab the biggest correction in the trend. I think it's this one here. And then I project it onto this. And it should also at least break the 1414 level here and stay above it a little bit. Yeah, so consolidate above it. So I'd be watching the level of, what is it, 103, 135 roughly. So if we stay above this level for a little bit, maybe we can correct then, but that means to me most likely that the trend is broken. So that's the DXY. Nasdaq, I still see, this level as a liquidation level. So if I would think normally that we should take out all these stop losses behind these levels. It can happen from here. We can go down and then take them out. But I mean, nothing is guaranteed in the markets, so we might as well just see a straight and pure dump. We're approaching May now, and the saying goes, sell in May and go away. So we have to be careful here. SPX. This is really interesting, and to be honest, it looks very bearish at the moment unless we break this high here and go above this this resistance level. Yeah, so we didn't get 2 moves up. Now we're going, if we go down from here, this would mean a double top formation, a distribution pattern, and I would want to see more downside in the end. So we first of all have to break the high on the left here, this one here, and also we would have to bounce up on this trend line and then go up. Yeah. So until I see this, for me the pattern here, or this chart here, looks a little bit bearish. We are under resistance. We reject it. We are going back into the triangle formation. At the moment, it doesn't look too good, to be honest. Btc.D, like expected, I said after this move we should get a little bit more upside and then probably dump. And the way we would dump is either by pumping alts, or second scenario by going into USDT. And the second scenario is playing out at the moment. So we are getting a straight dump. So for me, I think at the moment this scenario with the diagonal, I think it's not going to play out. So I was thinking maybe we get some kind of a distribution pattern here before we go down. But we're not getting this. We're getting a straight dump. So I think the distribution must have happened here. Like I said before, many times, for me to be bullish on Bitcoin, we would have to break this, break the level of this correction, or an extension of this correction. So that was the level 30704. Look where we dumped from. Yeah. Actually to be fully bullish, we would have to break 37,000 and stay above. And I said, look out for 30,700. You can check my previous videos. I mentioned this level many, many times. And we're dumping right from the level that was expected to be big resistance. So that is a very bearish sign at the moment. So if this, for me, this is the level that I would normally see as a level to dump from for a new low. I think these shorts will not close, or it would be only natural for these shorts to aim for the low. Will this happen? We don't know. Yeah. There's if you look at the volume, it's very light until these levels here, so 24,000 roughly. And then so I would expect that we would maybe go this, then here, then bounce up for this to take like 50% of this dump, which would be somewhere around or between 50%, which is here, and the golden pocket here. So we would maybe go up to this level here, yeah, and then dump from here. We'll see, yeah. If this consolidation here does not stop this drop, I mean, if we take out first of all, if we take out these lows, then that is a sign to sell, sign of weakness, sign to sell, time to sell. So if we go down to here and then we bounce up, I would look for a between 50 and 65% retracement roughly, and then put up my shorts here for targeting the new lows, or at least one more wave down, yeah, to take out this one, and maybe go up. But normally I would say this is if we dump from here, this is the perfect place to dump from to get a new low. I mentioned this many times in my videos. What else about BTC? So if we check the volume again, let's see. Here are two places where the volumes is strongest, yeah? 1 and 2. So it's either break of this low or maybe here. This would be a place where the volume is strongest. So for me, I'm waiting for to load up on shorts. Especially if we take out these lows, so I'm waiting for rebound. A bounce up, and then try to load up on shorts to target at least these areas here. ETH also looks bad at the moment. If it starts dumping from here, it didn't even get to this 1-to-1 repeat of correction level. So pivot low, oh, come on. Pivot low, pivot high, pivot low. I said 2-2-2-3 would be a place to dump from. This got even front run. So it looks pretty bad. It looks like a double top formation at the moment, even though we broke this high here. With the prospect on BTC prospects on BTC not looking so good, this also looks pretty bad at the moment. On a more positive note, I'm thinking, I'll be buying some Natgas, natural gas. So I'm waiting for this. Let's look at the high level, maybe not rush it so much. So it has been beaten down really bad. It bounced. Does this show the volume profile, by the way? Yeah, there we go. So we bounced on value area low, so that's a good sign. We rejected from this point of control, so I think we will top this level again maybe, and then try to take out the point of control. If we start bouncing on it and getting support from it, then that means we could get quite a good move to the upside and maybe even close this gap here. So I'm loading up on, if we close this one here, I'm on the bottom of this gap here. I will be loading up for the long term, yeah, to see if we can take out this one. Okie dokes. That's it for today. Thank you so much for listening. Have a very good day. Bye bye.